Hey coaches, usually what we do is that when we draft our team, we are we choose like the draft order right before we start drafting players. But to save some time, what I think would be the most beneficial is just create our draft order prior to draft day. So what I'm going to do, I'll read through our statement right here, and then I'll do a number generator, and we'll see where we get, and you can kind of see from there. So to make the draft more effective for the Palatine Fall Ball Minors League on August 28th, 2019, Commissioner will use an online random number generator to obtain the draft order. This will allow the Commissioner to prepare for the draft ahead of time with the draft platform, also known as our wonderful Excel sheet, which we will use. So without further ado, let's see who gets to draft first. So number one, which would be draft order number one. So Ryan Schlitz gets to draft first. Here we go. Number two is going to be Dave Barnett of the Mudcats. Number three is 3 there, which is me, the Iron Pigs. And number 4 is 4, which is the Hot Rods, which is Guild, so well there. Number 5 is 6, which is Brian and Tim. Number 5, and then the last one, Rick and Joe. So there we go. There's our draft order, boys. And I will see you guys all on Wednesday.